you doing? This is my son Cooper.
This is my dad, CJ the CPA.
So what we want to talk about is what I hear as a parent all the time. You used to say it. You might still say it, which is, but everybody has one. So what are some of the things that you said that about or maybe still do?
Maybe it was a pair of Nike shoes or, the newest, Madden NFL video game or, even if it was just as small as, a shirt or, I don't know, anything really.
Yeah. So when we're making our case, when you're deciding that this is now something that you want, why? Well, because everybody has one. So know this, I'm going to tell the 5th through 8th graders a little secret. That argument never works on the parents, right?
Nope.
You know what you're going to hear? Because I heard it growing up was, well, if everybody was jumping off a bridge, would you jump it off too? So when you're now thinking through and you're wanting something because everybody has one, what made you want to say that? You said that. I know Chloe has said it when she was younger as well.
It was kind of just more of maybe left out is the wrong term, but it could lead you in the right direction. It's just kind of, everybody else has one, so why shouldn't I be able to get one?
Yeah.
You kind of want to hop on that trend. You want to hop on that, the bus of getting the new shoes or getting the new video game, or it's just you want to be able to enjoy it on yourself. You see everyone else enjoying it, and you want to be able to join in with them.
Yeah. But one of the things that we would ask you is, and Chloe, is like, okay, everybody has one. Okay.
Yeah.
Who has one? Does literally everybody have one? So everybody walking into the classroom has the exact same shoes. So let me ask you this. If that were true, if you wanted to make sure you had one because everybody had one, was it ever true that when you walked in, every guy had the exact same thing, or if Chloe walked in, every gal had the exact same thing on? Did that ever happen?
It was never everybody. It was more like, the people you hung out with had one, or just a couple of people were having one and you wanted to be one of the first to, get in on it.
Yeah. But now that you're older,
Yes.
right? So with you getting ready to graduate high school, isn't it more fun now to actually have something that no one else has?
Yeah. Now, like, when I see someone has a pair of shoes that I have, I'm like, man, I almost don't want to wear them as much anymore. Or, when I am shopping or I'm looking for something, it's like, oh, I know nobody has this, like I want to get this, and people are like, wow,
Yeah. So the next time that you're thinking or want to say, or you want something, and what you're thinking is, but everybody has one, how about this? Think of what no one else has and then go get that, because now you're starting the trend, and then maybe somebody else will be like, well, they have one, so now I want one. So it's not always a bad thing to have what everybody else has.
Nope.
Right? We all want those things,
Yes.
and that is A-OK. But sometimes it's better to have something that somebody doesn't have yet. That's the key.
Yeah.
Not yet. All right. Hey, listen, we want to put together some information to help you, help your parents. And so do this. I want you to think back maybe when you were younger. Was there something that you said, but I want it because everybody else has one? And then is it now that you would still want that? Because sometimes as you get older, you don't necessarily look back and go, oh, well, if I didn't have that.
Yeah.
So sometimes it's okay that you didn't have it. Yeah.
Definitely is okay.
Yeah. All right. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Listen, we're putting together a series. Check out the rest of our videos. And then don't you ever forget, you've never met a son and father quite like us.